Go ahead.
Blue one.
A blue one. Oh my gosh. Dory's in there. Who's in yours? Nani. Put them in your buckets. A green one. Uh-oh, who's gonna get it behind the bench? Someone has to get it behind the bench. Go. Oh, Jason's working hard. All right, now take a minute to open up your eggs. See who's in there. The Game Nemo. Game Sheldon, yay! Who's in the green one? Gobi. Una. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at those eggs. Big pink. Unbelievable. Oh, Jordan. Rubble on the double. Look around. Bunny egg. Oh my gosh. Daisy. Good job. Who's in there?
Minnie.
Daisy and Minnie you found. Do you see any more, Jordan? Look around. Look in the kitchen. I see some. Oh, I see some. Jordan, look. Jason's trying to help you. Good job, buddy. Whoa. Zuma. Oh my gosh, you guys are so excited. I think there's a couple more eggs. Oh. There, blue. There you go.
This is my favorite egg of all time. What is
Chase! Whoa, I'm glad that didn't hit me.
Jordan.
Oh.
Blue.
Yay!
Who's in there?
Rocky. It's okay. All right, let's see. Check the Paw Patroller.
I knew there was something in the Paw Patroller. Big one.
Big egg. Who's in there? Kyan. Check Jordan. Jordan, check inside the kitchen in the microwave.
Okay, microwave.
And that,
this is the microwave.
That's not the microwave.
This is the microwave.
That's the microwave, silly. Mr. Grouper. All right, guys. I think you guys found all the surprise eggs. You can hide them now. Sure.
Okay.
More surprise fun. Woohoo!